अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, सैयद इमरान शाह मुखातब है अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्ट्रीट डोर्स में। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, लॉन्ग टाइम आई नॉट अपलोडेड माई वीडियो इन माई यूट्यूब चैनल बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी बिजी इन माई अदर वर्क. So right now I decided again to run this YouTube channel, and I hope you are with me and you are see my videos inshallah in future. I decided to make my same content on AutoCAD technical drawings, and as you know, my mostly students are in Arabic speaking and English speaking. So inshallah I will be try to upload the videos in English and some Arabic and some Urdu. You know, I am belonging from Pakistan, so I have to make the videos in so many languages like Arabic, English and Urdu, Punjabi. So inshallah you will see in future inshallah so many videos come in these languages. But I will be trying to make my all videos that is regarding to the technical drawings. I will make in English language, so the persons who are regarding to each any language he can be understand that. So as you know, I am making the content on technical drawings like mechanical drawings like orthographic views and regarding to this perspective views. So you will see so many drawings on it. The second content is also very interesting, the traveling about the places, and inshallah you will see also these videos on your screens. If you subscribe my channels, inshallah you will see also. So inshallah I am very hopeful about this. This YouTube channel will be very useful for you, for those who are like to see the places, and secondly who is interested in the technical languages. So inshallah see this video, the purpose only to subscribe my channels, like, share, and please encourage me to subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Syed Imran Teacher saying Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.